So I've been looking at Neil's setup when he switched to the single base and decided to just kind of have a 4-piece kit basic setup with everything around it instead of the big double bass kit with the 3 toms in the front. So I decided to set my practice kit up like that. I had to tear the rack down, find a bunch of old stands that I had kicking around and multi-clamps and stuff. And you know what? It's really freaking comfortable. I'm using my Tama Superstars. So I'm starting with a 6-inch rototom, then the 8-inch, 10, 12, 14, 18 floor, and my 22-inch bass drum that I have suspended on a little rack. This is the 24-inch kick. So the bass drum is on one of those Gibraltar racky thingies with the legs on them. Then I have a carbon fiber piece going across, part of Jerry Mercer's kit. This is just a pipe the same size as the bass drum mount, which goes inside the bass drum. So you can hang a microphone in there if you want now. So that worked out really well. It's fully adjustable. And of course the cheap Temu cymbals for practicing and some of my broken stuff. But yeah, this is very, very comfortable. I can't believe how comfortable it is to play. So I'm thinking I might set up my other kits like that. But that means I have to start from scratch, and if it doesn't work, then I'm kind of screwed. All my other kits are on a rack, Gibraltar rack. So I'm going to have to try to figure that part out. Well, and there you have it. This is my Tama Star Classic Maple kit. I have to change this tom around so I have the logo sticking out. It's in the back there somewhere, so I just got to take the top head off and turn the shell a bit. It is so comfortable to play. I'm really happy I got to change these around like this. This is a cymbal I bought off a friend. It's been used. I was using it for a while. I feel horrible doing it. But I got it. Not going to use it anymore. I just had to set it up just to see how everything fits. Because my other ride is upstairs and I didn't feel like grabbing it. So, yeah, this is very cool. I played them a little bit and it's super, super comfortable. So I only got 3 kits to go. I have to do my crush kit now, my acrylic kit. But the only thing I have to change is the tom mounts, because they have their own tom mounts, because they have their own memory locks. So that'll be the only thing I'll have to change for the crush kit. I also have a rototom kit, but that uses a different rack. And I also have a monolith kit that was owned by Jerry Mercer from April Wine, but that has its own rack. So this is cool. I just got to change the tom mounts on the acrylic kit, and this is good to go. I have to number everything, renumber everything. I try to keep the numbers semi the same as what they used to be, but there's going to be a few that I'll have to change. Just print them off on a little printer, little sticky thing, label maker. It's a good idea when you have a slightly larger kit with hardware that you don't want to tear down. This is awesome. Can't wait to try it out at a gig. Okay, and now the crush kit is done. I did change all the tom arms. So I noticed that there's a little bit more space between the 10 and the 12. Not going to worry about it. I'm not moving this at all. So I think we're good. If it wasn't for probably this symbol here, I'd be able to just adjust stuff a little bit better. But I'm going to keep it right there because it's all good. And here's a little view from the back. I do have an extra floor tom with this kit. So I think that's good for this rack. Now my Rototom kit has its own separate rack, and so does the monolith kit. So let's tear this kit down and the rack, and we will set up the next one. I love doing this. And here is my Rototom kit that I use on my quieter gigs with my low volume cymbals and Evans hydraulic heads, which I don't really like. So I decided. My wife's doing upholstery. So I decided to hold off on the monolith kit for a while. I'm going to try these ones for a while and the other kits set up that way and see how they go before I mess with the other ones. I don't use the monolith kit a whole lot anyways. It's more of a collector's item for me, but it is one of the best sounding kits that I have. So if you like what you see, please hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys soon. Take care.